Hello and welcome to my video. So in this video, I'm introducing you to the WAHL Professional Hair Clippers and the kit that comes with this. It also has a Lithium Ion Pro Rechargeable, cordless, and cord that comes with the clippers. So these are the accessories which come with this kit. Now this kit is about $60. So the first thing let's look at is the clippers. Here are the clippers. This is where you turn it on, and this is what it sounds like. There's a precision blade. So when you go over here, you can take that down and get close precision to do detailed or outlining of the hair. It's lightweight, and this is rubber, a little bit of metal and some plastic. Let's turn it off. So when it arrives, it's already charged up. This is where you'll charge the clippers. Again, here is the charger that comes with it. So let's talk about the accessory. Again, around $60 for this on Amazon. So you have, the first thing let's talk about is this protects the blade. And of course you'll want to oil your blades before using them, but this goes right here to protect the blades when the clippers are not in use. That comes with that. And then these are the accessories. So it comes with a 1/16 means if you use this accessory on the end of the clippers, your hair will be a 1/2 inch long. And then you've got a 1/8. Your hair will be 1/16 long. And then the next one, your hair will be 1/8 long. So you've got these numbers: a 1/2, a 1, a 1.5, a 2, and then you've got a left side of the head, so you can taper and blend the hair on the left side, and then you'll take that attachment off and put on the right one. So to work on the right side of the hair to blend it properly on the sides. And so it says left and right. So now we're going to move on down here. So you have a number 3. So your hair is going to be 3/8 inch in length. And then you've got a 4. So now your hair is going to be a 1/2 inch long. And now you have a 2. Your hair is going to be 1/4. You have a 5. Your hair is going to be 5/8. Then a 6, your hair is going to be 3/4 of an inch long. So the hair is getting longer here. Now we're going to go into number 7. Your hair will be 7/8 of an inch long. And then you got 8. This is a 1/2 inch. So when you go down to 8, your hair will be a 1/2 inch long. Of course, you will take these and you will put them on the clippers, just like that, which is hard for me to do. I only have one hand at this time, but they'll go on like that and snap down. So, yeah, so you've got your clippers and these 12 attachments. 12 attachments for hair lengths, and then your blade protector. Your oil, you want to drop a little bit of oil on your precision blades before using them. And then you have a little brush to clean out the blades. It comes with another brush where you could use to clean off the attachments. All these. And then again, comes with 2 combs and some scissors. And those are stored in this plastic carrying case with, has the word WAHL written on it, but you'll open it here and all those will store in that case. Let's take a look at everything. Again, $60 for this. A haircut can run $60 in some places. I'm not sure what a man's haircut costs because I cut my own hair. So let's go over here. So it comes with this information here, and it talks about tips and techniques, a step-by-step guide for cutting hair, and then warranty, different other models of the WAHL clippers that they make, and I have this one here. And then comes in here, talks about disposable and recycles, attachment guards that come with it, and then clipper operation and maintenance. So if you're thinking about buying some clippers, again, this seems like a nice kit for cutting hair, trimming hair, or doing fine lines and details around the neck and the ears. Again, they're not too loud. Let's listen again. And then again, it has the precision blade, which you can move up and down. And then cut that off. So I do hope that this video is helpful for those who are researching and trying to find a clipper kit for under $100. And I hope this one is the kit that you like. And again, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.